Hello everyone, welcome to Style of Living TV, teacher Melanie signing in. This place used to be Happy Minds Reading Nook slash Tutorial Center. After Agaton ruined it, yes, Typhoon Agaton, I figured that it is no longer safe for use. By the way, I put the link in the description below, so you might want to check it out and see what Agaton did. No matter how much fun memories I had with my students here, I've decided to just destroy it completely and transfer to a bigger and safer place. Well, I did not do it all by myself. I had my brother and my father who helped me. Maybe they did 90% and I just did 10%. While hitting, there were a lot of emotions and thoughts playing in my head. Do you know the feeling of finally realizing your dreams, and then 1 minute there was a typhoon that completely destroyed it? But then again, life must go on. Hugs to all people who had to go through failures but had to stand up again. I am proud of you. Every problem has a solution. Therefore, I prayed and prayed to God to somehow guide me and help me how to recover from this. One thing that I learned was I can take a rest, but I should never give up. Again, my gratitude to my brother who has always been supportive of me and my endeavors since day one. Before my brother could smash this part of the slab, he told me to cover the floor so as not to break the floor tiles with the falling debris. Well, such a smart move. So there you have it. My reading nook and tutorial center is almost gone. Therefore, for my next vlog, I will welcome you to my new preschool, Bright Beginnings Preschool. And that is for my next vlog. Stay tuned and thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Melanie signing off.